Are you tired of having rounded shoulders and bad posture? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple exercises to help fix rounded shoulders and improve your posture instantly. Dr. Joey here, owner of Comeback Performance, where we helped over 1,000 people overcome shoulder injuries, pain, rounded shoulders, and more through our one-on-one online coaching platform. And in this video, we're going to give you 3 simple exercises to help the shoulders. Does this sound like you? Having rounded shoulders from watching TV, playing on our phones, or sitting at a desk throughout work? This rounded posture can lead to headaches, upper back pain, or even shoulder pain because we're in the same positions all day long. This poor posture doesn't only affect your appearance, but it can actually compromise the shoulder and how you're able to get into various positions throughout the day. The good news is these 3 exercises can be done anywhere and they'll provide you relief. Let's get into these 3 exercises. The first exercise is a pec wall stretch. It's loosening up the pec muscles and everything that's pulling us into that rounded posture. You're going to find a corner wall and place one foot in front of the other. You're going to bring your arms into a field goal position and face the wall. With your arms in that position, you're going to lean your chest forward until you feel the stretch in your pec muscles. Take any note, does one side feel looser or tighter than the other? As you're leaning into the stretch, you want to make sure that you're not producing pain with this. If you are, simply back off the tension on the stretch so you can feel the stretch without the pain. By completing this exercise, you're opening up the chest muscles and pulling the shoulders back into a better position. Complete 15 reps of this exercise. Hey, real quick, I know that you're struggling with pain and you obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 720-710-4371, I will send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Thank you later. Now back to the show. The next exercise is going to be on the floor and is called prone tees. This exercise is designed to strengthen the low and mid-trap muscles, which are often weak with people that have rounded shoulders. Strengthening these areas are crucial for improving shoulder posture. You're going to lie face down on the floor. While you're completing this exercise, guys, you want to make sure that your neck is relaxed and you're not kicking on your upper traps. While on the floor, you're going to bring your arms out to the side and you're going to lift them up into a T position. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds at the top, feeling the middle of your back being activated by turning on those muscles. Perform 12 reps of this exercise. This last exercise is called a bench opener and it can be done anywhere as long as you're able to have a table or a chair. Grab a broom or a PVC pipe and you're going to kneel in front of the bench. Placing your elbows on the bench, you're going to hold the PVC pipe with your hands pointed up towards the ceiling. From there, you're going to bring your butt back towards your heels and allow your chest to drop towards the floor. This is placing the shoulders in an optimal position and also stretching out the lats and upper back. Complete 10 to 12 reps of this exercise here. You're going to feel your shoulders open up instantly and feel like they're being pulled into a better position. These 3 exercises can be mixed in the morning, throughout the day, or every few hours depending on your schedule. Each exercise has its unique purpose for why we're doing it. With the pec wall stretch to stretch out the pec muscles and pull the shoulders back. The prone tees to strengthen and activate the back of the shoulder and shoulder muscles. This in turn is going to help train us to have better posture by activating those muscles. And the bench opener to unlock our lats and upper T-spine, 2 areas that can stiffen up when we're having the rounded posture positioning. Now, if you're dealing with bad posture, shoulder pain, and not doing the things that you really enjoy, these exercises can help, but they are not the long-term solution. The first step is figuring out what is leading to the rounded position posture and also why you're having the shoulder pain in the first place. After the root cause of the shoulder pain is established, a specific customized game plan should be built to check the boxes for why you're having that shoulder pain and how to prevent it from coming back in the future. If you're tired of working with providers that are giving you short-term relief, but you have to constantly keep coming back by seeing different massage therapists, chiropractic, or PTs, and you're ready to be finished with this shoulder pain and get your life back, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Do this right now so you don't miss out on the opportunity to get your life back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily and weekly content to answer all of your shoulder questions that are coming up. At Comeback Performance, our mission is simple. We're trying to help over 1 million people around the world avoid unnecessary imaging, surgeries, injections, and get their lives back. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.